Alright, so now I want to show it to you the sample, how we want to find the quantiles, quartiles, alright, so that will display to you the first quartile, second quartile, and also the third quartile. So make sure you have our sample data here. As usual, is a tip.csv. Alright, click new button and Python 3. So when the kernel is ready, so what you need to do first is, as usual, you need to import the data, as PD, and then I want directly to import statistic library, because I know that to calculate the quartiles, we need to use the statistic library. So and then don't forget to import to load the data frame. Is a data frame. Panda will read the CSV file. Alright, the name of the file is a tip.csv. So this is the basic. So what how to find this quartiles. So we need to use this syntax. What the syntax is, statistics quantiles, and then the name of the column that you want to find. We will use a total bill. Alright, so n is equal to 4. Why we choose n equal to 4? Actually, the parameter n defines the number of resulting the equal probability percentiles. Default is 4. Alright, and then actually it will return a list of n minus 1 cut points separating the interval. So we use n equal to 4, and then we have the method here. We type as inclusive. So actually setting the method to inclusive is used to describe the population data, or for the samples known to include the most extreme values from the populations. So the minimum value in data is treated as the 0 percentiles, and the maximum value is treated as the 100 percentile. So now we just run, shift enter, so you will see the output like this. So what it means is the 13.3475 is the first quartile, 17.795 is a second quartile, which means this is the same as median, the middle number, and we have the last results here. This is the third quartile.